So this stage of the project's now finished. The first piece is abstract tartan with Burns's poem placed on it so that the viewer is able to read the poem and then understand everything that's taking place subsequently. The next piece is a quite bright and abstract piece of art with the flowers and the sky and the grass and so forth. But you can see quite clearly here the word afore, which is Scots for before, and the idea here is that there's a before everything that happens. The next piece of art is abstract again, but there's words from the poem are set within something that looks like a Scottish psalter, which is therefore giving the idea that identity is being formed here. The next three pieces directly come from the poem: the graves going green, the tears shed in the sleet, and then the lament of the lass from Inverness. Burns refers to Drummossy Moor rather than Culloden, so I just used those words on a piece of hessian. It's meant to look like the logo of like a factory or something, which is again to make the whole thing be understated and the graveness of everything that actually took place. The final piece is a traditional Scottish stag, painted in gold, but it also has the word ayunt, which means beyond in Scots. So the idea here is that even though everything has taken place, there's more to come and there's something beyond even the grimmest of events.